This t-shirt was made by layering vinyl, but some of you guys have asked, how do you turn artwork like this into this? Well, I'm going to show you. First thing we're going to do is open up this artwork in Adobe Illustrator. I'm using that because it just has all the tools.
Okay, so we're over here, right? And you're going to see, and we're going to take this background. This background represents our ground color, okay? Now, the whole point is that we're going to take everything right here and group all of the light colored things together and make each one of those things a piece of vinyl that all comes back together like a puzzle. Those individually will be a piece of vinyl. All right. And the ground color is not going to be a piece of vinyl. So we're going to get rid of that. So we're going to go over here and we're going to look and see what's what. So we'll know what we are working with. All right. So first things first is that this red piece right here, that could be the ground color. So we're going to we're going to select that and we're going to select that red at the same time. And let's go to our Pathfinder because most of the things that we're going to be doing is going to be done with our Pathfinder. All right, so we're going to go right here. We're going to go to minus front and we're going to pop that out. Let's push that back to the back. So that would be, just in case we were on that red ground again, that would be cut through. Now that's going to have to be weeded, but it's all good, right? So we're going to take all the black like this Che. We're going to select that. And we're going to select that background. See that right there? And we're going to make all of that one piece. And how do we do that? We simply go right here, since it's all selected, and we're going to click Unite. Right? So that's all together. So if we move this out here, that's all going to be one piece of vinyl. Let's move that back. All right, so now we have, so we have all of that and we have this, okay? So first thing we're going to do is that we're going to take that and we're going to move those off to the side. All right, now, just in case these were all different pieces, right, we're going to select all of those together, okay? And we're going to go right here and we're going to go make compound shape and we're going to make sure we click expand, okay? Now we're going to grab everything, which is this and this. We're going to select it all and we're going to go right here to minus front again and punch that out. Boom. Okay.
Which brings us to our sponsor, Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying. 10th anniversary edition, guys. The book has been updated with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the t-shirt business, okay? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com. Back to the video.
Okay. So now we have this black piece and we have this tan piece, and both of those are going to be individual vinyl. The only thing is that we also have these, right? So let's put this back and let's grab, we're going to lock that down. I'm going to lock this white down. I'm going to lock this blue down. Okay, we're also going to lock down these two eyes. And now we're going to grab all of that. We're going to bring it over here. And now we're going to click Unite. Okay, so that's all one piece. You want to take it even further, you can click Make a Compound Shape and then click Expand. All right. So now we have, let's unlock everything. We have this black and we have this tan that we're going to cut out. Okay. So let's pull this back. So now the next thing that we're going to do is the white. Now you can see there's these white highlights down here. They're also, I don't know if you can see them, push this back. There's these little white pieces right here. Is these white and these stars in the eyes is this white, okay. This white right here, okay. And these whites that are these highlights. Let's make sure that everything is aligned. Is that all the white? Yes, it is. So we're going to take that over here and we're going to make a compound shape and expand. So that's all one thing right there. So let's bring those back. All right. So now we have the black vinyl, the tan vinyl, this white vinyl, and this blue vinyl. The only thing we have to do, I think it's already connected, but hey, why not? Let's make a compound shape and expand. And there you have it. Okay, so what we're going to do is just going to bring them all back. And we would layer that on our red t-shirt. So let's bring the red t-shirt back.
Now, of course, you would take each one of these layers, and like I did, you would simply take them right like this and make them black, right? And those things are what you would actually take and cut out to be vinyl. And of course, you would take them all and layer them on the shirt. All right, but without any further ado, I showed you how to do it here. Let's actually print this out and make a t-shirt. So we're going to pull out the Cameo silhouette. We're going to get some vinyl. We're going to start with the black one, right? We're going to get on our computer. We're going to go to that silhouette software, pull up that black, and we're going to take it over into design, and we're going to set it for a needle of 3, a force of 6, and a speed of 8. And now let's hit it. So now our silhouette starts cutting our vinyl. Then we take it out. I take my vinyl off of my cutting board, and then we start the weeding process. We just want to get rid of that excess vinyl, and there you have it. Let's print it. We simply put it on, make sure it's square with our t-shirt help desk ruler XL, add our Teflon sheet, throw it in there 300 degrees for about 15 seconds, pull it out, and then bam, we are on our way. Same exact process for the tan. Pull in your artwork, take it over to cut, press send. It starts cutting. Let's remove it from the cutting mat. Then we take it and weed it, being careful to pull it around all those nooks and crannies. And let's place it exactly on top of the black where it needs to go. Add our Teflon sheet, throw it in about 15 seconds. Let it cook. Let's pull it out, and then we're gonna peel, and look at that. Now let's get to the blue around the eyes. Same process, send, cut, take off of the board, cut it, weed it, put it on top, place it exactly where it needs to go, add a Teflon sheet, press it, let it bake about 15 seconds, pull it out, remove the Teflon sheet, peel, look at that. Now let's get to the last one, which is the white. cut it. Pull it off the board, cut it out, weed it, place it exactly where it needs to go on top of all the other layers. Add a Teflon sheet, press it, let it cook, pull it out, peel, and done deal records. And for good measure, I like to give one finishing press, and boom, look at this beautiful Che Guevara shirt. And that's how you do it. Check out this other video that we did on vinyl. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Peace.
T-shirt Hope Trust.